Isindanya Jimton V Black 16. How to drive the manual vehicle. First is clutch pedal left. Used to disengage the engine from the wheels, allowing you to change gear. Pedal brake is middle. Used to slow down or stop the car. Accelerator pedal right. Used to increase speed. A second is starting the car. Press the clutch. Press the clutch pedal all the way to the floor with your left foot. Shift into neutral. Ensure the gear stick is in the neutral position. The middle or neutral is on the gear stick. Turn the ignition. Start the car with turning the key or pressing the start button. Release the handbrake. Make sure the handbrake is off before moving. The number 3 is moving forward. Press the clutch. Press the clutch pedal all the way to the floor with your left foot. Shift into first gear with the clutch still press. Move the gear. Stick to the first gear. Release the handbrake. Make sure the handbrake is off. Gradually release the clutch. Slowly lift your left foot the clutch pedal until you feel the car bite. The engine starts to engage with the wheels. Press the accelerator. At the same time, gently press the accelerator with your right foot to give the car some power to move forward. Find the balance. The key is the balance, releasing the clutch and pressing the accelerator slowly to quickly release the clutch without enough gas will start the car. Number 4, shift gear. Increase speed as you accelerate. You need to shift the higher gear, second, third, fourth to fifth and sixth gear. Press the clutch to shift. Press the clutch pedal all the way to the floor with your left foot. Move the gear stick. Shift to the appropriate gears. For example, the shift from first gear, second gear. Pull the gear stick 1 to 2. Release the clutch and press the accelerator gradually. Release the clutch and press the accelerator simultaneously. Number 5, slowing down and stopping. Press the brake and slowly down press the brake pedal with your right foot. Press the clutch. As the car slow, press the clutch. Disengage the engine from the wheels, preventing the car from stalling. Shift to neutral. If you are coming to complete stop, shift the gear stick into neutral. Stop the car. Continue pressing the brake until you came to a complete stop. Number 6 is receiving. Press the clutch pedal all the way down. Shift into reverse gear. Move the gear stick to the reverse position. Check your surrounding. Always look around. Use your mirror left or right. Area behind the car. Check your surroundings. Always look around or use your mirrors to check the area behind the car.